Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to be giving you 3 tips to fix your iPhone charging not working. So if your iPhone is not charging when you plug it in, you have to firstly check the cable you are using, if the cable is not broken or damaged. If the cable is working perfectly, then you have to check your iPhone charging port if there's any dust there. So if you find any dust there, just clean it with a pin or something gently so that it won't get damaged. But if that is not still working, then you just have to first restart your iPhone. So if you are using an older version of the iPhone, then you have to click on your home button and the power button together to first restart it. But if you are using the newer versions of iPhone, you have to hold your volume down and your power button together. You have to long click on the both of them to restart your iPhone. So that's just how I can easily do this, guys. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to this channel for more tips, guys.